Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is May 2nd, 2025, and we're diving into Eaton's first quarter earnings report for 2025. Eaton, a leader in intelligent power management, has just released its results, showcasing record-breaking performance. Joining us today is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch, to help us break down the numbers. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Eaton's report is indeed impressive, with record earnings and strong organic growth. I'm excited to delve into the details.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Eaton reported a net revenue of $6.4 billion for the first quarter of 2025, which is a 7% increase compared to last year. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. Eaton's revenue growth is primarily driven by a 9% increase in organic sales, which is quite impressive. This growth was slightly offset by a 2% negative impact from currency translation. Additionally, the company achieved record segment margins of 23.9%, an 80 basis point improvement over the previous year, indicating strong operational efficiency.
And what about profitability?
Eaton's net income for the quarter was $965 million, up from $822 million in the same period last year. This reflects the company's ability to convert sales into profit effectively, supported by their strategic focus on operational excellence.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. Now let's talk about earnings per share. Eaton reported an adjusted EPS of $2.72, which is a 13% increase over last year. How does this compare to analyst expectations?
Interestingly, Eaton's adjusted EPS of $2.72 slightly beat the analyst forecast of $2.70, which was based on a survey of 11 analysts. This outperformance highlights Eaton's strong execution and ability to exceed market expectations, even amid challenging conditions.
That's great to hear. It seems like Eaton is on a solid path this year.
Indeed, their performance sets a positive tone for the rest of the year, especially with their raised full-year guidance.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's discuss Eaton's operational efficiencies and their future outlook. What are the key highlights?
Eaton has demonstrated remarkable operational efficiencies, with record segment margins and a strong book-to-bill ratio of 1.1. Looking ahead, they've raised their full-year organic growth guidance to 7.5 to 9.5% and expect segment margins to be between 24.0 to 24.4%. Their full-year EPS is projected to be between $10.29 and $10.69, with adjusted EPS between $11.80 and $12.20, reflecting a solid growth trajectory.
It sounds like Eaton is well-positioned for continued success.
Absolutely. Their strategic investments and focus on operational excellence are key drivers of their positive outlook.
Business segment performance. Let's dive into the performance of Eaton's business segments. How did they fare this quarter?
The Electrical Americas segment reported record sales of $3 billion, up 12% from last year, driven by a 13% increase in organic sales. The Aerospace segment also saw record sales of $979 million, up 12%. However, the Vehicle segment experienced a 15% decline in sales, primarily due to an 11% drop in organic sales. Meanwhile, the E-Mobility segment achieved record sales of $162 million, despite incurring an operating loss due to launch costs for new programs.
It's a mixed bag, but overall, Eaton's segments are performing well.
Yes, the strong performance in key segments like Electrical Americas and Aerospace offsets the challenges faced in the Vehicle segment.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, Eaton's first quarter results showcase a strong start to 2025 with record revenue and earnings. Their ability to exceed EPS expectations and raise full-year guidance is a testament to their strategic execution. John, any final thoughts?
Eaton's performance is commendable, and their outlook remains positive. Investors should keep an eye on their strategic initiatives and market conditions, but overall, Eaton is well-positioned for growth.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Eaton's performance in the comments below. Until next time.